my friends, welcome to Stash Smash Saturday. Today we are doing Stash Smash, and it is May I Lift You this month. I'm going to be playing with what I have left of this Pink Fresh collection, which this was a scrapbooking kit. A good day. So I've got some beautiful papers. I have some scraps. Lots of good scraps here. This is a mixture because I feel like these do not match. But I have some ephemera, some more ephemera, some frames, these lovely alphas. I've got some stickers, more paper, some white cardstock, more paper, some more papers. But we are scrap lifting the lovely, she is Scrapping Beauty on Instagram. This is the layout I chose. I think I already saw someone else also scrap lifted this. Obviously I'm slow to the game, but I thought it would be fun. I really like this paper, and I thought this would be fun to do that, all those hexagons with, and I need wood grain, so then to have it backed with wood grain would just be perfect. So I'm going to dig out my wood grain paper that I had tucked in here, which I can't seem to find now for some reason. Dig that out, and then I'm actually going to go and have a bunch of hexagons cut out of this on my silhouette. So I will arrange them on here so that it looks like a whole sheet of them, kind of like in her layout. And then we'll distress them all, get all those glued down, and in the meantime I'll pick out a photo. So that's what I'm going to do, but we're going to play with this. Don't forget, I also have my items I have to do from Becky, what she's challenged me. So Becky and I challenge each other not only to pick a collection, kind of use up some collections or stash. We're trying to work through them until they're gone. And then when they're gone, we can move on. But then each month, we also give each other a list of 7 items from our stash that we want to use up. You have to use at least 5 with every layout that you make. So my 7 items that Becky gave me are vellum or acetate, some torn paper, gems, glitter, fussy cutting, a large title. I have to use punches, and a wood grain. So, yeah, that's what I gotta do. So I will definitely have a wood grain down. I don't know if I'll have vellum or acetate. I'll have to look, depending on what I got. Yeah, I don't think these ones go. I think these go with something else. They don't seem, they're not the right colors, so I don't know why I had them together. But that's fine, I guess. Yeah. But I'm going to go ahead, like I said, and get this cut out. I am going to bring in, I have a whole bunch of False Splendor embellishments, which was my favorite, and it's a lot of this same color. Same color and look. And I've got some scraps with that as well. So, I'm going to bring that in. I think I'm trying to figure out what those other embellishments go with. They definitely don't seem to go with this collection. But I'm going to do my best, and I might even bring in some other papers to use as well, kind of tied together. We'll see. I haven't decided quite yet, but I'm going to go cut that out on my silhouette, the hexagons, and get a photo picked out, and we'll get started. Oh, welcome back to I am a horrible person at being punctual. Clearly this is not Saturday anymore, that this is getting posted, you know. Anywho, so this is what the background turned out like. I love it. It's not the same at all as the inspiration. She didn't have like these. I noticed it was like this row would have been a little bit closer this way. But anyway, I love the way this turned out. It turned out really cool. I just went on my silhouette, like I said, and drew a bunch of hexagons, and then spaced them out how I wanted them. Distressed the edges. Turned out really good. I found this photo of my husband and I sitting around our fire pit this year. This would have been 2020, I believe. I gotta double check and look up the photo. I backed it with this paper, which I also fussy cut out some leaves, and then the other side of it is a green leaf print, so I fussy cut out a couple of those things. I fussy cut out 2 bows because I'm not sure which color I want to use. But there's my torn edge, and I was about to layer this up on some vellum as well, and I'm going to tear that edge. Define large title. So it's going to be a decent sized title. I don't know if it's considered large, but we're not going to do gems or glitter, and I don't think we'll be doing punches because I'm going to consider this a large title, even though it might not be, but we'll see. We're going to cut this out, and then we're going to tear the vellum down here, which with vellum it doesn't matter, but it doesn't which direction you go because it doesn't have the white tear like regular paper. It does a little bit, but not like regular paper. Now I'm just rambling. Okay, so I liked too that her layout had just a bunch of things tucked in over here. Title, it's going to be kind of like laying right here. Title right here, things tucked here, some more layers behind the photo. So I think I'm going to grab some scraps that are in my kit here, my collection kit. Maybe even grab some of the scraps from the Fall Splendor and tuck those behind. Yeah, that's kind of the plan. I think I'm going to do this tag because I really like it. It's us sitting by the fire, and it makes sense. I'm going to use some of these. I can pick them up. I think I'm going to put that around my tag because I can. And I think I'm going to put a bow in there because I can. Oh yeah, I was trying to figure out a good one, but I'm gonna do Let's Be Carefree. And Carefree I'm using from these Pink Fresh alphas. And then the Let's Be is old One Canoe 2 alphas. But I'm doing the Carefree right here, which is very similar to where her title was. And we need to add glue to this anyway, so I gotta punch out all the E-holes. And this, Let's Be, is going to go right here. There. Now it says Let's Be Carefree. And then we're going to put some of these behind. Look, like these are super sticky. These these little squares I got from scrapbook.com, I believe. Okay, and then I'll have the rest of these to play with whenever I want. I think we're gonna stick these ones in here. So then next week I can use them too if I wanted. Yeah, used up those. Used up quite a few stickers. My sticker sheet has been, I have some more of these that I can use. All right. I think. So she has a tag and stuff coming out here. I've just added to the bottom of my title, which is, it's fine for me. I think that's fine. I'm going to look up what this date was, and then I'm going to stamp it right there, and that'll be that. So that is my scrap lift of Scrapping Beauty. Love it. I just got to trim these off, and I'll stamp my little stamp, and we'll be done, and you'll get some close-ups. So thank you again, you guys, for tuning in. I apologize for my constant tardiness. It will get better. I just don't know when. But I appreciate you. Make sure you check out Scrapping Beauty and everyone else who scrap lifted this weekend. Have a happy Mother's Day, and make sure you go check out Becky. Give her some love as well, because she posts on time all the time for our little get-together. I do not. So Becky is the one to follow. Again, thank you so much. Bye.